Welcome back. We're on with the recovery truck build. Got used to the workshop again. Thank you very much to Vantech. And today I'm going to be looking at doing all the boost pipes. I'm going to look at putting the drive shafts in, which you'll have seen me build on the last video. We're going to try and get a bit of progression on. Definitely want to see if we can get the boost pipes done. Definitely want to see if we can get the drive shaft in, but I'm waiting on some parts for them. Let's see where we end up. So let's talk about the boost pipes. Boost pipes are going to be 2.5 inch diameter. I'm going to use the factory intercooler because I have bought an aluminium one, but to be fair, the factory intercooler is bigger than an aftermarket, cheap eBay aluminium one. So we're going to keep with that one. Plus, it all molds into the front panel, which is quite a nice little thing. And if ever got to change it in the future, it's just an off-the-shelf item. So that's what we're on with. Got loads of material, bends, silicone hoses, straight tube. So yeah, it doesn't look the most complicated job in the world to make the boost pipes. So let's get at it. Let's see where we end up by the end of the day. This is what I'm going to start with. So from that side of the intercooler to that side of the turbo. Now I was going to put, it like so. But the problem I've got is, it would sit that close to get it to, to sit nice. With a silicone hose, it's going to be a bit long. So I think I'm going to bring it around and down. So let's get fabbing and let's see if I can make it fit nice. So on quick inspection, I can just put a straight on there, so I don't need to do any bad angles. So that one there looks like it's done into the turbo. I've got some silicone holes there. I can get this one boxed off, but I'm going to need to order a reducer from the turbo to the 2.5. So now it's onto this pipe to the inlet. Let's get that one in, and then I can start getting on with the drive shafts. So it's come up now to the end of play. So where am I up to? So calling it a day. We've got this boost pipe finished from the intercooler to the inlet. We've got this boost pipe finished from that side of the intercooler to the turbo. So I'm quite happy with that side. I've taken all the measurements for the water pipes because I want to make some out of stainless, and I'm going to have red pipe ends on it. So that's that. I've got all them measurements. And then a key part today was what I was making the other day was drive shafts. Let me get under here, and that's what I'm talking about. So basically, when I was describing shaft angles, that's technically how you want them, perfectly straight and as level as possible. They all seem very nice. They all clear the shocker. Everything's good. Let's show you the other side. So this is the other side now, showing you this. That there is perfectly straight and absolutely bang on. Everything went together nice, apart from obviously I don't like the vinyl suspension setup, but that's a different story. So, yep, shaft's done, boost pipe's done. Everything's kind of where it needs to be. I've had quite a successful day. So that's me calling it a day. As you've seen, I haven't really gone into much detail on how I fab stuff because, again, I think I've done that in previous videos. But again, if you guys want a bit more in depth of how I make the boost pipes, what I advise for welding, how I cut stuff, go into a bit more in depth, just let me know in the comments and I will go in more in depth. But we're slowly getting more and more forward with this build. I'm really happy where it's going. Yeah, I think, looking at the future, we've been discussing putting the thing on airbags. We've been talking about designs for the back bed. So lots of ideas. I've also seen this week a really trick, cost-effective leather interior which fit in these. So lots to come, lots of modifications to do. I'm really excited by this one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Any questions, please leave it in the comment, and I'll see you on the next video.